you. Miss you. We'll see you in 1 week. Hope you have a great day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Go, Frankie. Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Nico, look this way. Nikki, look.
Hi, Daddy. Hi, Neo. Mwah. Bye. Bye.
Okay, Machi, adukwa.
Machi, happy birthday.
Machi, happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Anu. Happy birthday, Anu Kota.
Hope you have a good day.
You have a good day.
See you soon.
See you soon.
പിന്നെ മലയാളത്തിൽ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറ.
നല്ല ഒരു ബർത്ത്ഡേ ആഘോഷിക്കട്ടെ. ദൈവം അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ. അനുവിന്റെ എല്ലാ അനുഗ്രഹങ്ങളും മാറ്റി തരുന്നു. Okay, goodbye.
Okay, let's turn it off. Hello, Anoop. I'll hold it. Okay. Hey, brother-in-law. How's it going? Okay, so wanted to wish you a happy birthday. Okay, so you are turning what? 29. That's a big deal right now, but that's okay. I'm sure you're going through midlife crisis, but that's okay. I'm 22, and once we average that out, we're only at 25, right? Okay. 26. Okay. Hey, I hope you have a wonderful day. I'm sure you're gonna miss the fun, or I mean, you're gonna have a lot of fun. But although we're not there, you're not going to be having as much fun. But once we do get back, we're gonna be like party. But yeah. Okay, bye. Love you. I really do want you to have a good time, even though your wife is not going to be there. But she's doing quite well here, and she's missing you a lot, and so are we. Okay, bye.
2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Any individual message?
Anoop, I'm very happy that you are nearing my age.
Happy birthday. Oh, അത്രേ ഉള്ളോ? വാച്ച് കൊച്ച്.
Anoop, happy birthday.
അത്രേ ഉള്ളോ?
Take care of Moody.
Okay, എന്നാ bye പറ.
Bye.
2, 3. Hi, happy birthday, Anoop Chacha.
മെസ്സേജ് വരണോ? എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയണോ?
Hi Anoop, this is wishing you a happy, very, very happy birthday on June the 13th. But do remember, my wife's birthday is on 8th of June.
Make sure you call for that. നീയൊക്കെ എന്തെങ്കിലും പറയണോ അനൂപ ചാച്ചന്റെ അടുത്ത്? Say hi Anupa Chacha.
Hi Anupa Chacha.
How are you doing?
How are you doing?
Hope you're keeping well.
And that?
Hope you're keeping well.
Hope you're keeping well.
Do you miss your wife?
Rahil, Anupa Chacha അടുത്ത് hello പറ.
Nikhil is just watching and wondering what the show is all about. Nikhil everyday. Nikhil comes into the picture.
Nikhil part of this.
Apekku hello para.
Nikhil. Okay, Ryan, what would you like to say to Anupa Chacha? Nothing.
അങ്ങനെ പറയാതെ പറ. How's your bike there?
Into toilet പോണം.
Okay. Okay, bye.
Bye. Have a wonderful year.
Rahil, bye para.
Have a wonderful year. Bye Padme.
Bye.